In this episode of Family Travel Vlog, we spend the night in the airport and on planes, travelling from Phuket to Bali. Then we jump straight into the day, exploring some of Bali's waterfalls and rice fields. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here.
This has just arrived at the Phuket International Airport. We're going to go check our bags through and get something to eat and then head on the plane to Bali.
The food options in Phuket Airport were not very budget friendly, but we decided to go and get some burgers from Burger King. So the double cheeseburger was the cheapest burger they had at Burger King in the airport, which costs 250 baht.
250 baht? That is not cheap.
So 250 baht is just over 11 Australian dollars. And that's just for a double cheeseburger, no meal. We caught the first flight of the night from Phuket to Singapore.
Sunshine really makes my day. Bright stars even shine my way. All the trees are waving hi to me and smiling everywhere I look.
Getting off the flight was not easy, as everyone was really tired.
There's a feeling that I found so free. It lifts me, take me away.
When we arrived in Singapore airport, we had a little look around and found that most things were closed.
Take me away. There's
The kids were pretty tired, so they just found a chair and fell asleep.
feeling of fun. Days like this just can't be beat, 'cause I'm feeling
We reluctantly moved on to catch our second and final flight to Bali.
they know. The world glows. Feels like life just took me in, lifted me into a spin, left me feeling I can win today and always. Take me away. Oh, what a day, swimming in rays of the sun. Hey, life, take me away. There's nothing that can't be done when you're loving the feeling of fun. When you're loving the feeling of fun. I count to 3 and then I see a world in front of me.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Denpasar Newry International Airport.
That wasn't too bad, Skylar.
On the plane, starving.
Yes, we'll have to get breakfast when we get to Bali, eh?
And from this view I feel so fine. I feel just like this world is mine. Sunshine really makes my day. Bright stars even shine my way. All the trees are waving hi to me and smiling.
Feeling tired and hot, we jumped straight into the day after a quick stop at Circle K for water and snacks, and McDonald's for breakfast. The Blang Singer waterfall is beautiful, but there are a lot of steps to get to it. When you're there is a lot to do. There are terrifying swings, lots of Insta spots. Skylar and Summer decided to give the small swing at the bottom a try, and they loved it. Last time we were in Bali, Dale ripped his pants. This time, he's just got this sweaty butt patch.
I slipped and I fell in water.
Definitely didn't. That's all sweat.
Guys, comment down below if you think Dad got.
Hey Dale, how's your sweaty butt?
Guys, comment down below how many likes Dad will get and make sure it's.
Our second stop was the stunning Bali Waterfall.
It's a bit slippery, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's why we have to come down, and it's still more to go, isn't it? But
No
someone's
hands,
coming,
no
isn't he?
hands.
Hold on.
The walk at the bottom was a little slippery and hard to manage with the kids, so I stayed at the top with Summer. If you can manage it though, do it, because it's worth it.
So it's not the most child-friendly waterfall, but it is by far my favourite one ever. Like, you don't actually have to swim in the water, but it's just nice to have a shower and cool off. It's so beautiful and really, really nice and cool on a hot and sweaty day. Oh, my trooper! Go, Summer, go!
It's like they communicate in a different language, those two.
By this point we were feeling well and truly tired, but we decided to have a quick look at the rice fields.
It's ginger with apple.
Ginger mixed with apple.
Good?
It's good?
Thank you.
5, 4.
Later.
Alright, so this is our room at the Ibis Styles. So that's a sofa bed which they've just made up for us. And then Around here is the master bed and a TV. Down here we've got the sinks, a bunch of toiletries, and the bathroom with a bath and a shower. And then, oh, a wardrobe with the safe. And then you just go around the corner and you're back to the bedroom.
And of course, staying at a hotel with a swimming pool, that's all the kids want to do.
One thing we loved about the Ibis Styles was the location. Every single night we were there, we had amazing food that was just walking distance.
The food was so good that we tried a little bit of everything, and we ate way too much. I can hear you snoring.
I'm not snoring.
Through my headphones.
Shut up. I'm not snoring.